Together, we can create miracles. The world is at a critical time of transition and transformation, and she needs our help. The unfolding crisis is creating unprecedented suffering for much of humanity. With your help, together we can restore balance and harmony and help to bring an end to the unfolding catastrophe. The healing power of prayer has long been recognized and used as a way to create miracles. During the 28th and 29th of August 2021, the Earth Unity Project is calling the people of the world to spend a few minutes sending love and light across the world to bring healing by uniting humanity in love, peace, and harmony. Please join with us in meditation during this weekend and help heal our global community with love.